Hi, the purpose of this video is to give you a little bit of help and strategies on simplifying exponents. So one of the things that students often get confused about is the sign that's associated with an exponent. So these two problems, -3 squared, and the quantity means parentheses, -3 squared, these are not equal. They look really similar, and it's really easy to get them wrong. So this here, the question you want to ask yourself is, what has the exponent? What does an exponent, what belongs to that exponent? So in this first case, what has the exponent is the 3, and only the 3. The negative is kind of an afterthought. It's like, hey, you know. And once again, if you remember about orders of operation, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do exponents before you do any subtraction or anything like that. So this is 3 squared. So 3 squared, 3 times 3. And that answer is going to be negative. So 3 times 3 is 9, and that's -9. The other side, once again, ask yourself, what goes with that negative? And what goes with that negative is -3. So both of them, everything inside of the parentheses is getting squared. So this is -3 times -3. So -3 times -3, negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. So these two are not equal. That's the symbol for not equal, just in case you didn't know. It looks like an equal sign, not equal. Now, a lot of people still don't believe this. So one way to think about it is, let's put this problem into context. So if this was, let's say we had 12 minus 3 squared. So what I want you to take notice of is this here, -3 squared or -3 squared, is pretty much the exact same thing as here. Okay, so we're going to show why this is -9. Because if you look at it inside the context of a problem, sometimes it's a little bit easier for you to see it and believe it. So when you're doing these types of problems, first things you're going to ask yourself is, okay, what do I need to do first? Order of operations says to do parentheses and exponents first. So I don't have any parentheses, but I do have an exponent. So 3 squared, 9. And then I have the minus. So look at this right here. -3 squared is -9. Okay? Different from this problem. Really easy to confuse us. Once again, the question you want to ask yourself is, what number is getting the exponent? Here, only the 3 gets the exponent. Here, everything inside the parentheses is getting the exponent. -3 is being squared. Here, only 3 squared, then take the negative. Good luck. I know it's a little bit tricky. I always write this in my notes. If you have a notebook, write this down. And what you want to do is put this in your notes and put a big warning. So add this to your notebook or someplace so that you keep it straight, because it's really easy to get those two confused. Subtle but important distinction. Good luck.